I really wanted to specialise going into my MSc, and Leeds offered me the course I really wanted to do because it was plant science, which was what I was interested in.
I wanted to go into biotechnology, and this was the perfect course for me. Plant science and biotechnology is basically using biotechnological techniques to study plant science.
It's very progressive, it's all very cutting edge. There's a lot of money and interest being put into plant science.
There's always every day that excitement of coming into the lab and not knowing quite what the result is going to be. Is it going to have worked out as you planned, or are you going to get a complete surprise that makes you rethink your ideas about science?
We've done some specialised plant modules, we've done topics in plant science and plant biotechnology.
We had other courses like bioinformatics, high throughput technologies, and then we had bioimaging
and a protein engineering lab course, so things that are going to give us like quite core skills.
And then every student has their individual research project.
It's a really big portion of the master's programme. All the tutors put out potential project lists.
They're then encouraged to go and talk to those individual academics about the projects that they're offering. At that stage there can be some discussion and negotiation if somebody had something they particularly wanted to do.
And then you kind of develop it together. It's very much you drive it and you decide what you want to do and they kind of guide you.
I would say my project is a kind of proactive project. We are already looking into solutions that will come up when we run out of phosphate fertilizers. So we are trying to see how we can manipulate phosphate proteins and how relevant they are in helping plants to grow even in low phosphate conditions.
I'm looking at a model plant which is Arabidopsis. A lot of crop yield loss is from stress plants, so it's really important to understand the mechanisms behind how these plants cope with stress.
As a Russell Group university, we're very research intensive and we have fantastic research facilities.
We've got a whole plant growth suite which is full of big automated growth chambers, which is really exciting.
Wonderful bioimaging facility with a number of confocal microscopes that produce very, very high resolution images.
All our teachers are leaders in their field in plant science, so you feel like you're getting sort of first-hand experience with them, and the modules and what you do in the lab are tailored to what they study, so you do feel like you are getting a research-led experience.
We're such a big university and there's the opportunity to interact with people from a very wide range of disciplines. So it's an intellectually very dynamic and interesting and diverse area.
I would say if you're interested in plant science at all, or if you've not got any biotechnology experience and you want to further yourself, I would really consider doing this course.
It's challenging. It's an exciting experience, but the lecturers here are very thorough.
It's been really eye-opening, really interesting so far.
I've improved generally, not just academically, but I've been able to plan my time, and I've been able to learn how to coordinate better, and yeah, I can say I'm a better person.
I've gained a lot of skills from it, a lot of confidence, and I've really enjoyed it as well.